the proud principal of Natomas High School. For the past 5 years, I've watched the percentage of students living in poverty grow from 26 to 76% of our total school population. Now, during this time, we've watched violence and crime escalate in the community outside of our green gates, while at the same time, we've worked hard to increase our graduation rate and our school achievement scores to their highest levels in school history, all while decreasing violence and suspension rates to their lowest rates ever. Hey, thanks to Google, 2 years ago, we gave every student, every teacher, and every parent a Google account. Our teachers have become innovators and collaborators using Google Docs. Using Google Sites, we created an online teacher collaboration forum where all teacher collaboration is housed in unique sites. Every staff meeting, every team meeting, every leadership meeting, it's all housed in the cloud. I even use Google Forms on my phone to tell my secretary what to put on my calendar. And my secretary uses Google Forms now to tell attendants who is absent. This is incredible! We'll never use a binder again!